When was the last time you actually cleaned your windows? Yeah, same here. Because let's be real, cleaning windows is one of those chores that always sounds easy, until you're halfway out the window holding a rag, wondering why you didn't just ignore the dirt. So today, I decided to try something a little different. Instead of risking my life with a ladder, I'm letting a robot do the job. And not just any robot. This is the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni, and apparently, this thing can climb glass and clean it for you, which sounds amazing, but also slightly terrifying. So today, we're putting it to the test on some very dirty windows. Let's see if this robot actually works. Okay, first impressions. This thing is bigger than I expected. The robot itself is pretty chunky, which actually makes sense because it needs strong suction to stick to the window. But the real surprise is this, the Omni Station. This isn't just a charger. It's basically the robot's entire control center. Everything lives inside here. The power supply, the cleaning solution, the robot itself, the safety cable, even the wire that connects to the robot. And when you're done, you just press a button and the whole 5-meter cable rewinds back inside. Honestly, that's one of the coolest parts already. No tangled wires, no messy setup. Just grab the station and go. Setting this up is surprisingly simple. First, you fill the water tank, then attach the microfiber cleaning cloth. Give it a quick rinse so it's slightly damp. And now the fun part. You press the power button, place the robot on the glass, and instantly, whoosh, it sucks itself onto the window like a giant suction cup. I'm not gonna lie, the first time you do this, it feels a little weird because your brain is like, should I really trust this thing on a window? But the suction is strong, really strong. And once it locks on, it's not going anywhere. All right, let's start the cleaning. The robot immediately begins mapping the window using its WinSlam 4.0 path planning system, which basically means it figures out the smartest way to clean the entire surface. Instead of randomly moving around, it follows a very precise pattern. And while it's moving, it sprays water from 3 different nozzles, left, right, and across the top when it moves vertically, so the glass gets evenly sprayed before the cloth wipes everything away. And because the water pressure is stronger than previous models, it actually breaks down the dirt pretty quickly. You can literally see the difference as it moves across the glass. Dirty, then suddenly, crystal clear. It's weirdly satisfying to watch. Now, obviously, anytime something is hanging on the outside of a window, safety matters. And this thing has a lot of it. First, there's the strong suction system holding it to the glass. Then the safety tether connected to the Omni Station. And the station itself has anti-drop protection. So even if something went wrong, which honestly hasn't happened here, it's still secured. There are actually 12 layers of protection built into the system, which is good. Because dropping a robot off a high window would be not great. Now let's talk about the actual cleaning. The robot uses a brushless motor, which gives it about 30% better efficiency compared to earlier models. And you can see it in action. Edges, clean. Corners, clean. Large sections of glass, also clean. And because it can run up to 110 minutes on battery, you can actually clean a lot of windows before needing to recharge. Or if you're near a power outlet, you can just plug it in and let it run continuously. The result. All right, moment of truth. Let's take a look at this window now. Before, it was covered in dust and streaks. And now, look at that. No smudges, no streaks, just clean glass. Honestly, I didn't expect it to look this good. So after watching this thing clean my windows, I have to admit, it's pretty impressive. Instead of balancing on ladders or leaning outside trying not to fall, you just stick this robot on the glass, press a button, and let it do the work, which might be the future of window cleaning. And if robots can handle chores like this, I'm completely okay with that. Because the less time I spend cleaning windows, the better. All right, that's it for today. And now I'm curious. Would you actually trust a robot to clean your windows? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.